What's up everybody, Mario here, and I'm going to show you a retwist style using the Just In Case styling putty. As y'all can see, I'm looking real ratchet, so we gotta fix that. I'm taking a small amount of the Just In Case styling putty. As you know, a little bit goes a long way. And I ain't gotta use a whole lot, I only got 5 locks. So now as you can see, I'm fixing these parts. And because of the texture of the product, this really helps you get nice clean parts. Then I'm taking my comb and I'm retwisting. As y'all can see, I'm using the no clip method. And then we continue to the next one. One of the great things about this product is it's water soluble. That means it won't leave a lot of gunk in the hair and it easily washes out. It also has amazing ingredients in it like argan oil, jojoba oil, as well as hydrolyzed castor oil. It's even got a little bit of that vitamin E in there to help that growth, y'all. And it can be used for locks, braids, twists, even a light edge control. Look at me go, y'all. And this is the last one and we are all set. Booyah. Sorry about that, y'all. I had a client come in and I got to get my money. So what we're gonna do now is we're gonna go ahead and do this barrel roll. Now, if you want a tutorial on that, you're gonna have to come back later. But what I wanna show y'all is this good old 5-strand braid. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take an elastic and I'm gonna put it here so I can keep it together. And here comes the fun part. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take the braids, we're gonna separate it into our 5 strands. Then you're gonna take the first strand, go over and then under. Then you're gonna take the last strand and go over and under. So once again, I'm gonna show y'all this, go over and under, over and under. But let's slow it down for y'all real quick, shall we? So you're gonna take the first strand, go over number 2 and under number 3, making number 1 now number 3. Then you're gonna go on the other side and take 5, go over 4, and then go under 3, making that the new 3. And then you will continue this process. And if you still don't get it, call your boy for a tutorial. And now we're gonna speed this up because I know y'all don't want to sit here and watch it in regular time. So speeding up my braid. Then we're gonna take an elastic, put it on the end. I'm gonna take the longest lock and then I'm gonna wrap it around. Then I'm gonna take the last 3 and braid them. Now we're gonna take some of the foam wrap and put it on there just to lay the edges a little bit, y'all, because it will be nice and polished. Take my frat and then to dryer I go. And we wait. And now my favorite part. Y'all, I'm out here ripping out my wrap strip because my edge is looking fleek and stuff. So we're gonna take off this wrap strip and booyah. That's right, y'all, we done and done. Get a little closer. See how we're nice and sleek? We go through with a little bit of the Just In Case shining spray, and then we are all set to go. All right, y'all, I'm out of here. Once again, check out the Just In Case styling putty along with the Just In Case foam wrap. Check us out at justinCasePro.com.